Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be replacing my Xiaomi 10T Pro battery since it's already inflated. I bought this new replacement battery on Shopee and I will link the shop in the video description below in case you want to check it out. Alright, let's do it now. Alright, now that I have replaced the battery, let's check it if it turns on. Yes, it turns on and the battery replacement is successful. I just realized that it's actually easy to do this at home. The battery I bought even came with the tools you need, so you don't have to buy anything extra. And that's it for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who needs to replace their phone battery. Check the video description for the battery link. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.